Hello everyone, this is Leo here. Welcome to TecnologiaParaMi. Remember that we made in this channel English and Spanish reviews and unboxing about technology or different devices. Today we're going to review the all-new Xiaomi 11T Pro, and I have to say that is a really amazing phone. A lot of websites was talking about this, speculating, and we didn't knew too much about these phones. Xiaomi has made like a secret code to try to avoid any filtration or anything like that. And yeah, let's begin. Okay, first things first, I have to say that what we have here is the all-new Xiaomi Pad 5, launched in China under the name of Xiaomi Mi Pad 5, now globally launched as Xiaomi Pad 5, and we have here the smart pen from Xiaomi, and it's amazing. But that's for another video that you'll see in the channel, maybe the same day that I upload this video, that I love this video. You'll find in the channel the Xiaomi Pad 5 review and unboxing, and I'll be using this for helping me to make all these videos shorter and efficient and helping me to be in order. So let's begin from the beginning. Before we get started, you already know what I'm about to say. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leaving us a comment, giving us a like, and even following us on Instagram and on TikTok. Guys, we have to compare the previously family or the previously design of the boxes from the Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro and the all-new Xiaomi 11T Pro, and obviously black and white. They decided to look like more like the 11 family, and it's the same size. I don't know how is the correct term for this, but it's thinner or shorter, I think is the correct word. I don't know exactly, but yeah, is smaller, even when we have here a powerful charger and a bigger charger full of power, 120 or 120 watts. This is a lot of power, and you'll find that is heavy, but it's not uncomfortable to use. Okay, putting aside the boxes, right now we have to talk about the exterior design of this device, and I really love it. I had the Xiaomi 10T Pro a long time ago. Right now I'm using the Mi 11, and right now here we have back curved design. Sorry for my pronunciation. Remember that I do this like English exercise to improve my English and my pronunciation. And we have a flat screen. We don't have any curve here, but the borders are rounded, and it's really elegant and easy to have in hand. Another thing that I love it from this phone is that it only weighs 207 grams. It's really comfortable to use in the hand. In the upper side we have infrared sensor and the words or the phrase "sound by Harman Kardon," and in the downside we have the SIM card slot, the USB-C port. In the left side we don't have any button, and in the right side we can find the up and down volume couples and the turn on and off with this finger sensor button, and it's really fast. I have to say right now, because I don't remember if I said it before, that the Xiaomi 11T Pro doesn't have jack 3.5 and doesn't have the adapter inside the box, and that's because a lot of people is using Bluetooth earphones. The battery is amazing. As the previous generation, it has the 5000 milliamperes, and the fast charge is really great. I don't know how to name it. Fast, super duper, me, turbo, I don't know which word to use, but it's really fast. 120 watts, it's really powerful. I don't know how much fast can we need, but right now is really enough. The screen is amazing. I have to say that I love it. You'll find 120 Hz of refreshing rate, 2400 by 1080 ratio, HDR10 Plus, and even supports Dolby Vision, and has a punch hole in the up center for the selfie camera. Okay, but all this for what? Yep, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888, the most powerful until now at least, and yeah, the MIUI 12.5 in this configuration that I have on my hand, 256 gigabytes and 8 gigabytes of RAM, LPDDR5. I mean, it's really fast. This phone is really fast. Obviously, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 and the GPU Adreno 660. And finally, we have to talk about the camera configuration, and I have to say and admit that looks very similar to the Mi 11, because the Mi 11T Pro has a main sensor, wide angle 180 megapixels, a second sensor with 8 megapixels, and a super macro with 5 megapixels. And the selfie camera, or the front camera, has 16 megapixels. And I will show you here some pictures that we just made, but as I said before, stay on the channel because I will be uploading a deeper video making a really deep review about this device. Just to finish talking about the cameras, it counts with long exposure modes, movie effects, and even with a great and amazing slow camera that works even with 1080 pixels with night 16 frames per second, and that's ultra super slow camera. Even if you use the 720 pixels or the 1080 pixels, you'll find all these configurations. What we don't have here is the super moon. Xiaomi has decided to leave it apart just for the ultra premium devices. And that's it, guys. This is everything I have to say in this first video. This is the first video about this smartphone. Remember that we're going to talk deeper and we're going to make a deep review about the cameras and the video quality and everything about this phone. Don't hesitate, please subscribe to the channel, following us on Instagram and on TikTok, leaving us a comment, giving us a like. You support us a lot, and of course any suggestion that you may have, please leave it here down. So see you next time. My name is Leo and this is Tecnología para mí.